banana bread is a family favorite of ours, and I always create different styles and versions of the same. I've often realized that most people don't attempt it for various reasons, though simple and easy. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating another version of a beautiful banana bread. Like most quick fix cakes, a banana bread follows the same principles. Mix the wet ingredients together and go ahead and mix it into the dry ingredients. So a cup of superfine sugar or caster sugar goes into the bowl along with nearly 12 tablespoons of melted salted butter, and I'm using salted butter so I avoid using regular butter in the mix. Just ensure that you mix it really well together. Into this you put firstly 2 whole egg whites, and then you put in 2 whole eggs and just whisk the entire thing together. It requires a whisking of nothing less than 2 minutes. Basking in the sheen that this creates, in goes 6 bananas mashed up. So what you need to do is just mash it up, and it's perfectly okay if it gets a bit oxidized and black. It just adds to the overall charm. So mix it really well and allow little bite-sized pieces to remain in. Eyeballing in some vanilla extract, nearly a teaspoon of it. Now if you want to replace vanilla for cinnamon or even nutmeg, go right ahead and swap it out. Wet ingredients mixed well. We're just going to leave this on the side and start mixing in the dry ingredients. 2 flat or leveled cups of flour, nicely sifted once or twice. Into that goes 4 teaspoons of this gorgeous leavening agent, that's baking powder, and nearly a teaspoon of soda, that's baking soda. And this is required because bananas are dense. So how do you aerate and activate the most moistest of cakes? Sift this or just mix it for a minute to a minute and a half till everything mixes really well together. Now it's all about adding the dry into the wet. So I divide it into 2 parts and just fold it lightly. You just need to mix it till it just about holds its form. And the other part. Just mix this up. And lastly, let's fold in some nuts. 15 to 20 whole walnut kernels just chopped up roughly goes in, and you lightly fold it. That's just required to give you some kind of bite in this gorgeous creation. You can replace the walnuts for salted almonds though. Lightly greased and floured a lovely cake loaf mold, and I'm just going to pour the batter in. And I always create a smaller backup that I have reserved in the refrigerator. This comes handy for last minute binging. Into an oven it goes, an old-fashioned oven at 180 degrees Celsius. And if you're using the fan mode, at 160 for a good 45 to 50 minutes. 45 minutes of allowing this to bake, and you can keep it in for 5 minutes more. This gorgeous creation is done. I could hardly curtail myself, so 15 minutes of allowing this to chill on a wire rack. It's time to enjoy this decadent creation. The beauty about a banana bread, like me, loves to share and lends its scents right into the atmosphere. What a soul-satisfying comfort feeling while baking. I hope you enjoyed creating this with me. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a comment below.